Yo, what is up, guys? Cody here. What here? What's it called? I'm just here, just looking at my.
Hey, boy, scratching my head, boy.
Well, yeah, guys, I'm just here in Madden Football. I'm gonna be opening up as many packs as I can with $665.
I won $665.
You do? I'm joining with guest with my brother. Actually, I'm in the garage right now with my brother and my Tito. Also, well, that's what I call him. I call him my Tito. You know. All right. Well, yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go to Marketplace and
T2.
All right. I'm gonna sit with y'all. You know, y'all gonna see what I'm gonna open. And if I open.
Oh, now he wants to say what?
Nah. Listen.
Oh, now
Listen. All right. Now we're gonna start. We can go to this pack. Right. That's all these packs. We're gonna see how many we can get.
Oh, now you want to say.
All right, ready? Here it is. First pack. Oh, we got a full pack, Jordan. So what? Okay, first pack was really bad. If I get something good, you know, we all scream. Okay, I got a center.
We all scream for ice cream.
Yeah, I guess. Nothing good so far. I've been getting really bad pulls. If I don't get anything till like the 35, if I get something, I'm gonna keep on going. But if I don't get anything till 500,000, I'm just gonna quit this game. Legit. What? I'm just saying the truth about this game. Oh, Jordan, look, I got 2 middle linebackers. I mean, you're so weird. If I get something good, I'm just gonna show you, alright? I'm getting nothing good. If I don't get to 500K and I don't get anything good, that's only worth 6,900. I'm not gonna get anything today. Linebacker, nothing good. I got a coach. No. Boom. It's not going so well. If I don't get at least one elite, I'm just gonna quit. Oh, that's actually worth a lot. It's worth like 10,000 right there. Nothing in that pack. Nothing in that pack. Bro, I'm getting so scared right now. I'm getting nothing. Middle linebacker, not even good.
T2.
T2.
That's my nickname.
T2.
T like a little T and a 2. T2. That's what kind of tag I'm gonna put in my car.
T2.
Listen. Hey, man.
I have like the worst luck. Oh, Jordan, I got some right from the Jets. You want them? Yeah, sure. 10K.
AKA.
Hey, only go 4,000.
To fine. 3,000K.
What?
3,000K. I don't know, I'm having.
You know what you ought to do?
Huh?
When you catch the ball?
Yeah.
Every now and then catch it just with your hands.
That's easy. Actually, that's what I'm gonna do.
And then other times use the gloves.
I'm down to 4,093. I haven't even pulled nothing. I'm just looking for money here for real. Oh, yo. Nothing.
I'm starting to think next time we go to Summit, I need to buy one of those.
Oh, please, Lord.
Jugs.
What you got? What kind you got?
Huh?
What do you got?
Yours? It's yours? Yeah.
I haven't got anything, Jordan.
Put this in the fridge for your mom, and take 2 of these and put them in the fridge. Well, we need to get a trash.
God, dude, I have nothing right here.
That white one works?
Legit.
Does it?
He just does that.
Boom. It doesn't want to work. Honestly, I'm just wasting my money right here. Just a waste. Look, see, nothing. I haven't been pulling out anything so far. This thing's freaking rigged. It doesn't like me.
Does it work?
I haven't even freaking pulled anything.
Dang, that's it.
I better at least freaking pull.
How much did he waste?
So far, I wasted about 200K.
Oh, shoot. That's it.
Ooh, kickers actually go for like 10K. I'm gonna sell that for 10K. Well, 300. I don't know what I'm gonna go to. I'm just gonna try to waste all my money. Won't get a thing. Good luck, better next time. It actually took me about 2 months to get all this money. See if
Not hard.
here and there, we're actually just getting gold. Really bad. I know I'm not getting anything. Just sucks. Man, that's bad luck. I don't even know why I'm doing this video, to be honest with y'all. I haven't been getting anything. I'm doing really bad. No shakes, no nothing. I have nothing to do right now. See, look, I have been getting nothing. Please let me get something. Oh my god. I'm legit about to freaking quit. If I don't get anything, this is the end of my YouTube channel, guys. I at least want one thing. I don't care if it's bad. I don't care. Fullbacks actually go for a lot. But after this, I'm gonna have so much that I can train up. Quarterbacks go for they're alright. I wouldn't say they go for a lot. This is so sad. I've been getting so many golds. Come on, God. Please, 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 please let me get something good. Derek Anderson, he sucks, though. Like, I see no shakes. Man. 2 months haven't been paying off. Sucks so bad. Nothing, you see? Nothing. 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 That smoke in the background is pretty lit. Nothing. These packs are rigged, bro. If I get to 100K, that's it. I'm gonna stop right there. Oh, let's go. Punt return. That's not the best, but that's pretty good. You know, I can update my team, but I'm just gonna leave it there. Yo, I think we're getting to the money. Show me the money. Money? Money? No, no money. No money. I believe if you get 6 cards, you actually have a big chance. Money? No money? Money? None. Money? Come on, man. I just need y'all to pray for me. 2 months haven't been working off so far. I can easily just go buy more cards if I want. Honestly, I'm just doing this video for entertainment. It's not doing so well. Oh my god, I think I got something. Nope. Nothing. I could have sworn I heard something. I could have sworn. Nothing. Please, Lord, give me one elite. Honestly, I'll be happy with any elite. I don't care what it is. I just want some other cards, I mean. 70 wide receiver. And good. Two goals. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's good. We good. None. I'm telling you, bro. We ain't getting nothing. I'm telling you, we ain't. Come on, man. Man, this freaking man rigged, bro. Come on. Give me some big money. Nothing. Man, I might as well just waste all my money on here. Come on, never give up. Gotta trust these facts, you know? I mean, people have actually been pulling a lot, but me, I'm the unlucky type right here. Nothing, absolutely nothing. Let's go. You never know where you can actually pull in a lead, because honestly, I've been wasting 400k. So you know, if I get that lead, I'm just gonna sell for 400k no matter what. Yeah, nothing. Guys, I'm not gonna get anything. I'm only like 6 packs. That's all I can get. 6 packs. Oh, my 6 pack. Come on, pro packs. I'm praying to y'all right now. Come on, pro pack gods. If the gods are with me, we can do it. Subscribe and just share this video so people would know not to get pro packs. These things are rigged bad. I can only get one more pro pack. Last one. Nothing. Nothing. We got nothing. We got nothing. Well, now, what we can do, go here. Hold up. Nah, nothing. We can go to sell. And we can just sell all these people. See all these? Look at them. So new 10k. I'm gonna mark it for 10k. That's pretty much one pack right there. Going to you. Going for you right here. Boom. 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 We saw you now. We can't sell them. Going for 899. I'm going for set for 888. Yeah, I like that. Go from here. Boom. Oh, hold up. We actually gotta sell. We gotta sell. We gotta sell. Oh no, I just sold the kicker for like really cheap. These punt returners and everything be selling for a lot though. Hey, I saw him? No, I can't sell him. Yeah, but these are actually really rigged packs, you know. Alright, well guys, it's been really bad so far. But I guess if you liked the video, please drop a thumbs up. Maybe for some better luck next time. Subscribe and share. And yeah, guys. Peace out.